Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use Artbreeder AI tool. Here you can go and type Artbreeder AI. You can go here, this one is the official website, and here you can see these are different results that you can easily get using this tool. So you can easily generate this type of arts. Simply you can go and create your account using your Gmail account. Let me go and allow the access. After that, now let me scroll down. Here you can select one of the option. For example, let me select this one. And here you can describe your image and art that you want to generate. You can also edit and change existing arts according to your requirements. For example, let me type it silver hair to golden hair, and then here I want to add blue color eyes, and then click generate button. Okay, now here you can see image is ready. Now simply you can go and download. You can also upscale it so that your image should be enhanced. After that you can restore and save. So this one is ready, you can view it. Okay, that looks great. Now here I want to generate another image. Please generate image of jungle. Then scroll down. Here you can select the shape. So I want to select this one and then generate button. Okay, now here you can see how fast you can generate different images and arts using this AI tool.